It's Josie with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to embed a buyer's consultation onto your website. We're going to go to agent.kw.com and log in with your username and password. On the left-hand side, we're looking for the designs icon with the little paintbrush right there. And we're going to click on Create Design on the top right-hand corner. Now we're going to select Print and Continue. As this populates, we'll see we've got listings, buyers, lead generation, etc. We're going to click on Buyer and Buyer Presentation. As you hover over the 5 different templates, it'll show you a little slideshow of what your options are. We're going to go ahead and click on this one by selecting the Use button with the pencil. You'll notice as this populates that the design is a little bit different. The pages are now on the right-hand side. And it looks like we've got 32 pages to choose from. So we're going to click on Next. And you're going to go through and decide which pages can be generic for your website and which pages are a little more tailored to specific buyers. So this one, for example, we're going to delete that one by clicking on the 3 dots on the right-hand corner and selecting Delete and then say Yes. And once you've narrowed it down to a few pages, you're going to want to just double check those and make sure everything is customized to you. So first name, last name, we're going to go ahead, click on that box right there and then select Delete. Royal Realtors, we will also delete. Now the logo here, if we just click on that, it will automatically open up our logos under My Assets, and we can replace that by clicking on the Replace logo with the 2 arrows. And then once you've got that, pretty easy to play with. You can resize it however you want, center it. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on Done. Now I've already got one with 5 pages that I've designed, so it's right here under My Designs. I'm going to go ahead and select this one that I've already worked on. All right, there it is. Now we're going to click on the Download button. We have a few options. We've got PNG, PDF, small file size, or PDF for printing. We're going to select PDF for printing and click on Download. Now for the next part, you're going to want to make sure you're logged in to Google. So you're going to want to log into your Gmail. We're going to go over to our drive, which is the square of circles, and we're going to select New in the top left-hand corner. We're going to go to File, Upload. We're going to do Modern Original and select Open. Perfect. Now, once we see this, we're going to say, let me minimize this a bit. We're going to select Get Link. And you can see that it is restricted right now. So we're going to select that drop-down menu and select anyone with link and select Done. Now we're going to right-click again and say Preview. And there it opens up. We're going to click on the 3 dots and say Open in New Window. And now when we click on the 3 dots, we'll have Embed Item as an option. We're going to go to a new tab and go to our command website by going to agent.kw.com. And now we're going to click on the consumer icon on the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to get our page ready. We're going to click on Create New Page. And it asks if we want it on our agent site or as a landing page. So we'll click on My Agent Site and Create Page. First thing we always do is rename that. We're going to call this Buyer Consultation. In order for a page to save, you do have to select a widget. So we'll just click on Download My App, drag it over, and then Release. And now we're going to add a content block on the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to add a text block. So we're going to grab that and drag it over. Going back to our iframe code, we're just going to triple click this. I'm going to copy it, come back over here. Now I do want to get this centered. So I'm actually going to type in center using the greater than, less than little side arrows. We're going to do one at the beginning and one at the end, and this will tell that code to center within the field. We're going to triple click on that, get that highlighted, and last but not least, we're going to click on link, and it'll give you a little preview of what that's going to look like. We're going to go ahead and click on Save Changes in the top right-hand corner. Select Yes to publish your page. Now we just click on Add Page on the bottom left-hand side and select Buyer Consultation and Continue. We're just going to type in a page title, Buyer Consultation. Our slug is no special characters or spaces, so we'll just do Buyer dash Consultation. And Buyer Consultation and hit Save. Now we're going to go to Agent Site Pages. And we can click on this little eyeball, which will take us directly to that page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, support@scottleroymarketing.com.